Hi Swiss watch lovers, today we are going to compare the two-tone and gold Daytona. Bam! Here they are, side by side. You can see one is two-tone, meaning gold and steel, and the other is all gold. On to my right is yellow gold, to my left it's gold and steel. The one on the right is retailing at $37,450. The one on the left is retailing at $17,900. All right. So we're going to see what the differences are and try to see them side by side. Obviously, as you see on my left-hand side, the steel and gold has gold going down the center, and it's high polished with a brushed steel on the left. And the reason for that is, well, it's a two-tone watch. Some of the people say that the benefit of having a two-tone watch is that it's more durable, and I believe them because you see this one on the right, it's all gold. Gold obviously is softer, and it's more prone to being stretched, to being dinged. You know, it's not steel. The one on the left, since the gold is in the center, then, you know, the outside gets more dinged and, you know, can withstand a bit more abuse than the gold. But you'll see they pretty much look the same and everywhere. The difference being just that one is gold and steel and the other is just all gold. And you'll notice actually the tachymeter looks slightly different on the gold one than it does on the gold and steel. It has on the rose gold, it has a slightly different tachymeter. You see right here at the 55, 50 and 60 has this arrow, and that arrow proceeds on down even into right there at the 6 o'clock where it says 120, 130, 140. It has this extra arrow that goes all the way around, and it doesn't do that on the gold and steel. Okay, so that's slightly different as well. Both of these watches are going to come with, let's see how many links. The gold one's going to come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 links on the gold one, and the gold and steel is going to come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they both come with 12 links from the factory. I believe the gold links are like $750, and the gold and steel are going to be a couple $100. Now, the gold one, of course, is going to have the gold hallmarks on them because it's gold. And let me show you where those hallmarks are going to be. Right on the case. You see there where my finger is? They have the hallmarks. But the steel one, it being steel, does not have that, as you can see here. Right? And on the clasp, since the clasp is steel, it's not going to have that either. But on the gold one, it is going to have that. Do you see right where my thumb is pointing? All those hallmarks? Those are gold hallmarks. So let's take a look at these two watches on the wrist. That's the gold one on the wrist. And I'm going to put the gold and steel one right next to that. And you can decide which one you like. There it is. The gold and steel and the rose gold. I bet you're curious how much these things weigh. And the gold one, I already know from experience, weighs about 110 grams. So let's take a look here. How much that weighs. Alrighty. Alright, there it is. 106 grams, 107 grams. And what do you think the two-tone weighs? I'm going to guess it weighs around 90. 70? Man, it's almost the same as the stainless steel. All right, well, then there you have it. It weighs 70 grams. Anyhow, here they are side by side. Thanks for tuning in. I'm glad you're watching. If you like any of these watches and want to see more reviews on cool Swiss watches, subscribe to our channel. Click right below. You can also visit and see these watches in high definition and purchase these watches at jazztime.com. We offer a 1-year warranty, free shipping, and a low price guarantee. Visit us at jazztime.com.